So with all four forms of data binding covered now, let's finish our little demo app for now. We get the server name, and this is live updated whilst we type due to two-way data binding in place here. I will comment out this server name here. Instead, I want to display the server name once we clicked this add server button. So once we create the server, we should not only say server was created, but also name is, and then simply add this server name like this. So now with this in place, we're now using the data we're changing through two-way data binding, or if we chose to do so through one-way data binding, if we use the other approach, which is currently commented out. And with this in place, now you can see that if I change the server name like this and click add server, we see server was created, name is test server 2. With that, we're using all four forms of data binding together with each other, event binding to listen to the click, string interpolation to output the data here, property binding to enable this button in the first place after 2 seconds, and two-way binding to fetch our input data. So with that, we're pretty advanced into the basics of Angular. We use components, we know how they work in general. We use how to communicate with our templates from our TypeScript code and in the other direction. Now there's one more basic feature we have to cover to really be able to build first little applications before we then can dive deeper into the individual building blocks. So let's have a look at this next feature soon, directives. Before that, time to practice data binding though.